interesting, that yellow box. Any idea what that's for?
I'm not too sure. Why did he put it there?
What if a big lorry came round that corner?
Yeah.
Or a bus?
He's going to swing that.
It's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a good one.
Not really enforced very much in a lot of them boxes, are they?
And
That's what
that proves it. Look what it's done to the whole junction. It's now gridlock because we can't move up. Can you creep forward a tiny little bit, Luke, to help the situation behind? And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Quite interesting that I talked about it and then that's what goes on. People don't think it matters,
yeah.
and they just go off and sit in them anyway.